Guys, do you see what's in my hands? There's a cement mixer and a road roller. So today we're gonna be talking about the road roller. So you see, the road roller, it follows the cement mixer as the cement mixer pours cement from the ground and the road roller will flatten and harden it. Then some other vehicle will start collecting all the excess cement that was pushed away from the road roller. So, as you can see, this guy looks very big. And I don't know why this is there at the back, but I've not even seen it in real life once. So, let's go straight to building it. Okay, now we need to put these two pieces over here. Oh my god. There we go. Now we have to take these two pieces and then snap this one over here. Why is snapping so hard with these things? Okay, now we need this piece, and two of these. One, and two. Okay. Wow, why did it have to break? Just in the middle of building. There we go. And then we put these guys here. And then this front over here. Next we need all of these pieces. And then this is a really complex, so you have to see very carefully. So we put this piece here and here. Okay, and then this one here. And then these two little pieces down here. Why is it so hard? I made a hard decision, just like the wheel, so I have to break this off. Get in! Yeah. I hate doing this. Okay, we put these in after joking for a lot. There we go. It's still hard like the wheels. Just fit in there. Okay, finally done. But this is just the first one. I have to do this annoying thing a second time. Then this blue part 2 times, one on the side, one on the side. Two sides. Yeah, everything has 2 sides. Even you have. Okay, now we need all of these pieces, which we are gonna place like this. And just get in there. There we go. Now this gray piece, we put this here and this there. And then this piece, where do I put this? Oh yeah. Behind. There we go. The last step, it has a very less amount of pieces. But it is this. That's why I should be too fast. Yep. It's like you pulling a wrench. Right. This is it. Oh. Why should it fell right on my creation? Get on that. Yes. I finally made this. I had a hard time making this last one. I don't know why the last should be this hard. So, guys, we've made the construction site. So now, if you want to see the next one I'll make, so like and subscribe. So stay sweet. Bye.